How to create and send custom Snapchat stickers.
Hi everyone, I'm Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started.
So first of all, open the Snapchat app. On the bottom of the left hand side, you can see gallery. So just open that and make sure that you have downloaded a picture of sticker and just click on that sticker picture. So expand the option and you'll see the scissor icon. So just tap on it and do it like this. Press on done and here your sticker is created. Now how to make sure that your sticker is saved or not? So just go back and click on save as a new copy. Click a picture and click on the icon just above the scissor icon. And here you can see the scissor icon, so just click on that and here you can see the sticker that you had saved and edited. So all the sticker that you make will be saved over here. So just click on that and you can simply press on send to and you can send it to your friends.
If you like this video or if this video helped you in any way, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.